sun doesn't rush, neither should you tonight. It takes its time to paint the light. It doesn't check the clock or erase the moon. It knows it will get there soon. You've been living like a sprinter in a marathon. Your heart is tired from being on, but the flowers open when they're ready. Your soul is not a race that's unsteady. The tide doesn't hurry to meet the shore. It knows the rhythm to its core. The seasons turn without a fight. You're allowed to move at your own height. The sun doesn't rush, neither should you, my friend. The slowest rivers reach the ocean in the end. Every sea takes its own sweet time to find the light and learn to climb. You don't have to arrive before you're ready. Just keep your footsteps slow and steady. The sun will wait, the world will turn, and you will learn what you need to learn. The saxophone takes a long, slow breath. He knows that hurrying leads to death. Of the music that lives inside the pause, the note that doesn't rush is the one that gives applause. I used to think speed was a sign of worth, the fastest runner on the earth. But now I walk and watch the sky and let the slower rhythm satisfy. The caterpillar doesn't beg the wing, it trusts the waiting, the sacred thing. The sun doesn't rush, neither should you, my friend. The slowest rivers reach the ocean in the end. Every sea takes its own sweet time to find the light and learn to climb. Maybe slowness is the secret speed, the humble heart, the gentle sea. Take your time, take your time. You're not behind, you're not behind. The sun takes its time, so do you. Like fragile notes, each memory softly floats. Your love still lingers in the quotes you whispered long ago. Moonlit letters calling me back to where we used to be. Every line a melody, fading soft but never gone. Moonlit letters, tender proof of the fire in our youth, a gentle echo of the truth. Your handwriting like a breeze, soft and warm with subtle ease. It wraps around me, makes me see how deeply I was known.